Okay. The more superstitious in our country, let's rush back to music, Passion Java record,
Yeah.
and some of the artists you are working with.
Yes.
The more superstitious in the country are saying everyone you work with has
Hmm.
misfortune befalling them. So of course they give unfortunate
It's
examples
not
like,
like that.
mhm,
The simplest lie way is if you are having a contract with me for a year, I bring the best of you because that's what I do. Right. I asked Rocky, let's do a contract. Let's do this. He said, man of Jah. He called me man of Jaja. Man of Jaja. Man of Jaja. Please, I don't want to be doing all this and stuff, and I don't want you to be paying me every month and stuff. Whenever you want to take care of me or give me money or do this for me, do it from your heart. I'm here to do music. That means I'm with Rocky for life as long as he wants. I'm going to be doing my best for him and it's going to shine. But any other young guys, they say, okay, let's do 1 year contract. Rika pay a contract. Don't go to my video, $5,000. Wanyuraka, because uchanotangira papu waweka. Saka zviri kuti munhu akunoita munyama because passion amuziya. Passion was the finance behind you. Passion was the axis behind you. Kuti usangana nhingi, it was passion. Kuti ugare kumba kwakati, it was passion. Udrive mota yakati, it was passion. Passion haienda kusira. Haukwanisi kusafiwa, haukwanisi kumaintaina. So kana contract rapera. Life yakunorarama ndisine nayo ndakutofokasa neari papa. I preached to you about Jesus. I showed you the way of life and I did ABC. I did my best. How you live it, it's you.
but that
Anyone who is talented, gifted, I can't control your gift. I can't control your talent. I can only boost it with my own ways. But that doesn't mean I can take it away from you. Cannot you go I'll change them there.
But if you are saying you pick them up and leave them, are you not just exploiting them, getting juice and then leaving them? Because that strategy.
I don't leave anybody.
Mm-hmm.
I'm always open. If you have a contract with me, which is well balanced, Rikapera, I can offer you to continue or you do by yourself. But vakawanda vacho vanenge vatoona kuti ndaachieva ndaasamwe and mari yangachitora chidambura nerecord label half handiitega ndakunoitora ndega. It's a big opportunity in his own eyes. Akarowa pasi orwa mari pane painozonopera. Ikapera ndounonzi kupera kwacho.
Okay.
Kupera mwadza kuita semudhara. Kana wangochiimba kana kusaimba wapera. Inini handipere because ndotaura and kutaura kwangu hakupere. Mawords angu handipererwe. Makanditsvibira zvezvizvi ndotsvibira hava mukupu mukwabam. Ndo vanonakirwa because ndinotaura. Saka panongonzi tiye masongs akachaita ndokutopera kwacho. So I'm open. Anyone who wants to work with me, any musician, kana uchigona, come. Record label is there. The managers are there. Record label. And sindo sana na panema contract. My managers who chichi Waitrana, and we do full support and help and bless people.
Can we briefly talk about your relationship na Soul Jah Love towards the last days? What happened?
Oh, Soul Jah Love, I've liked this work since 2013. Nainagirwa naye Soul Jah Love. But ane manager wake sikena ndiwanzoshane muna manager. How can I manage you if you already have a manager? Kuzosvika manje apa pangasina management. He's the one who actually approached me. Pangpese tenguta my songs. Let's do album. Toro my songs tese. We all record the studio. Toro then boom, done. Vazo uya ngatidai tese mkuru ngatidai todai Paul, let's do it. Then pangata kutomurowera music and stuff. Angane aita zvokubayiwa Jackson akatanga neSugar. So one of the day amen kwangari and angasina Jackson rake, then an attack came. Pamamanyisa kuhospital pakazosvika, they couldn't do anything. But he was a very good man.
His family, I've read several articles with some of them that we've covered. They are complaining about the posthumous release of some of his songs. I don't know. I think the implication there is with you are making money off his music, ERCC, without the family benefiting.
Zvine mari because my songs zvedu. Inini record label yangu inokupa mari yese yaunonida kubva kumba, fuel, transportation, yokubhadhara kurekoda song, yokubhadhara video. Andina ma-thousands kamavideo yokubhadhara ese YouTube inotokaita $1 million, inopa 1,000 something ne$1 million. Video yega itatashandisa ma-thousands of dollars. Video hatinana, video yatatotanga kutoita 9 million ndeyaroki iyoyi, handiti. But as a project actually yesterday we used, it was a cheap budget. We used about $3,700, and tinozomeka mari sei vanhu ngavachitaridza tomeka mari nepapika kuti ateka paziya titoitawo mari yacho. Help these guys. People should just clap in and say, Passion, thank you for the heart you have for these guys. We do things from the heart, not for the cash. Takudonosvika pemari because takuda some music yedu internationally, then maybe tichaitoma 100 million views aya.